Most people think they know astrology because they know their sun sign. But that little blurb you read on the back of a magazine or on your app, that's not your chart. That's a horoscope. There's a reason why horoscopes do not sound quite right. It's because the horoscopes are not specifically made for you. Most people think they know astrology because they know their sun sign. But that little blurb you read on the back of a magazine or on your app, that's not your chart. That's a horoscope, and it barely scratches the surface of who you are. A horoscope is written for the collective, for everyone born under a certain sun sign. It's fun. Sometimes it lands, but it's like trying to understand a person by only knowing their birthday, and that's impossible. It doesn't account for your emotional wiring, it doesn't reflect your purpose, and it doesn't specifically speak to your shadow or your healing. Now, your natal chart, that's different. It's a snapshot of the sky at the exact moment you took your first breath. It includes your sun sign, yes, but also your moon, your rising, your Mercury, Venus, and Mars, all positioned in certain signs and degrees and houses making aspects to each other. Your chart is a blueprint, a layered personal map of how your energy moves through the world. Your chart isn't a sentence, it's a map, really a mirror. As astrologer Liz Greene said, the chart is a mirror. It reflects your inner landscape. It doesn't dictate your destiny. Astrology doesn't take away your free will. It helps you use it with clarity. And that's why I use it in my coaching. Not to tell people what's going to happen, but to help you understand who you are, what you need, and where your true power lives. If you've been relying on horoscopes to understand yourself, but still feel unseen or misunderstood, it's time to go deeper. Subscribe to this channel. This is where astrology meets healing, where emotional intelligence meets truth, and where you finally stop asking, what's wrong with me, and start asking, what do I need?